So talking about trends in the European markets for American suppliers, the import of cereals, especially maize, has picked up, mainly for dairy farming in Portugal and Spain. But for now, main commodities remain protein sources, plant-based alternative proteins, and special feed supplements and additives that make feed more efficient and the feed conversion rate better and improved than before. My name is Jens Hombeck. I'm working for the Food Export Northeast and Midwest Association as the European in-market representative. So talking about trends in the European feed industry, major topics are efficiency and sustainability, and how to align those two movements and finding more specialized dietary concepts and strategies for animal nutrition. So when it comes to products that Europe is importing for the feed industry, the four major categories would be proteins, enzymes, amino acids, and vitamins. If you look at the different grades of feed proteins, like low protein levels or the super high protein levels, the most dependency exists for high protein feeds, so with 30 to 50% protein content, which is mainly covered by oilseed meals. And the largest commodity there is soybean meal, where the United States has always been a strong supplier for the European Union. And maybe with the new trade agreement, there will be even more potential with reduced tariffs that will open up. When exporting to the EU, it is important to be aware of the restrictions and regulations that come into play for feed, compound feed materials, and additives, because each individual item, commodity, raw material, or formulation can be subject to a different regulation and therefore needs to be addressed individually. So opening the European market is obviously a challenge, and there are different strategies how food export can help you to achieve that goal. One would be a trade mission or a consultancy or virtual seminar, and then obviously to exhibit at one of the leading trade shows. So we're building up on a strong foundation of trade relations between Europe and the United States. It has been going on for decades, and with new agreements coming up, we might see an even brighter future.